Let's take a look at what I've got planted out here with the chickens. I have a motherwort. Started a black raspberry. Of course, I have irises out here. I've got 2 small blueberry plants that I'm waiting until they get a little bit bigger to plant out. We're going to have watermelons and cucumbers in this raised bed. I've got kale. Have a trellis up for the cucumbers to grow up. I've started more kale in the grow bags here. And we'll have more watermelon and cucumbers in this bed. And in my old wagon, I've planted zinnias and fenugreek. And I have a witch hazel tree. The stray cat somebody dropped on us. I reckon she can stay. She's good at getting the moles. She's rubbing up on my elderberry bush. More irises. And over here in these grow bags, I've got kale and potatoes. I have a mailbox here to put my hand tools in. I'm gonna have to replant these on this side. They're not looking too good. I put kale in here. They're not looking great. More irises. And I have a red hot poker plant. I've got a potato starting to come up in this bag. I need to get it covered some more. We have lettuce and watermelon in here. And I'll have some cantaloupe in there too. I've got a trellis put up for the cantaloupe to grow on. Same thing in this bed. Lettuce, watermelon, and cantaloupe. These are gonna have to be replanted too. They're not looking so great on this side for some reason. Got another elderberry. Got a grapevine. And another grapevine here. And over here in this side of the coop, in with the chickens, I've got a small plum tree. It's pretty hard to see right now. And then here is a dwarf mulberry tree in the chicken run with them. And on the other side of the chicken run, I've got a small fig tree started. And I've got some small yarrow plants here under this little wire basket. Hopefully by the time this all grows in and fills out, it'll be looking really nice.